When Kim Kardashian showed off her Tesla robot, no one cared.
We don't care.
They did not go and buy it. Actually, in the comments, there was a whole bunch of eye rolls. Welcome to 2025, where launching your products is going to be a little bit different this year because the million followers influencers mean nothing compared to your authentic connection and even some AI influencers. On my live, I reacted to Kim Kardashian playing with the Tesla robot. Let me show you that.
1, 2, 3. Oh, you're a little slow, but I beat you.
Remember when we would see a Kardashian post about skincare and the sales would go crazy overnight, where influence was measured by millions of followers and a certain aesthetic that you had on your feed? But something shifted in between the years. We started to scroll past these products that was placed in mansions and jets and all these fancy cars. We started scrolling past it and we were seeking for something more relatable. These first generation influencers were selling us a dream and we stopped believing in it and we started scrolling past it. The disconnect grew wider from their everyday reality to our everyday lives, from their polished posts to our everyday needs. So as solopreneurs and business owners who are trying to get their brand out there, their products and services out there, what is the solution if influencer marketing isn't working anymore? Let me stand corrected. Those influencers are not working anymore, but micro creators are working. Those who have genuine audiences, genuine engagement that seem relatable, that I can see myself within them and they can see themselves within their audience. Those are the influencers that are starting to rise a little bit more. And let's not forget what Gary Vee said as far as the AI influencers.
Humans will not be able to compete with AI humans. At all. Nope, they're gonna be cheap. I'd rather pay an influencer that looks just like you, that has just as many followers as you. I mean, there's real pressure coming. It's called virtual influencers.
Talking about micro influencers and creators, an AI company actually hit me up to get sponsored on this video, and it's SubMagic. SubMagic is the reason why we see all these trending captions on these videos, from TikTok to Reels to YouTube Shorts. SubMagic does all of that, updates their fonts and updates their styles almost every single month. Plus they got AI B-roll, plus they got transitions, sound effects. It does it all. So that link is in the description. All right, let's get back to this video. Solopreneurs and business owners are not going to pay hundreds and thousands of dollars for a single post on Instagram anymore when we have these tools and we have genuine people who will get to the right audience. See, the thing with these micro influencers and creators is that they are engaging with their audience. They're constantly finding out what they want and what they need. And so when you're approaching these micro influencers and creators, they know, hey, your product is exactly what my audience uses. Your services is exactly what they're looking for. And you will see the conversions happen super quick compared to getting a million follower influencer who speaks to the masses, and yet your audience may be only 1% of that audience. And let's be real, some of these influencers, some of these high creators, they take a minute to create the assets that you need. They don't like to bend from a creative standpoint as well. And so this is why a micro influencer, micro creator, or even now the rise of these AI influencers are a little bit more flexible and want to work with you. And I speak like this because I am one of those micro influencers and micro creators. And I'm seeing that shift, that more and more brands are coming to me in my emails on some, hey, we would love to work with you. And these are some big names that I'm like, little old me, what are we doing? And as well as a business owner, you know, I'm coming out with these hats that I'm looking at other micro influencers and I'm trying to see how AI can have the hat too in order to give different perspectives and different looks to different audiences, because I know that's where the energy is. If I can find somebody who has my exact target audience, why would I just go for the numbers? The future of influence isn't in the millions. It's in the moments. It's in the engagement. It's in the genuine connection with people. So 2025 marketing is going to be done a little bit differently. It's about genuine connections. It's about relatability. It's about not selling a dream, but it's about selling the transformation that your brand actually has. So in 2025, it's not about reaching everyone. It's about reaching the right one. The ones who don't necessarily need to go in the mansions to show their worth. Connections create conversions. So whether you are that micro influencer, micro creator, focus in 2025 building that community because brands are looking for that. And if you're that brand owner, don't look for the big numbers. Look for the real connections. Look for those micro influencers. And honestly, it's probably easier on your pockets too. So in the comments, let me know, are you that micro influencer, micro creator, or are you that brand owner? Let me know, and how are you going to market in 2025? And don't forget, check out this video.